Welcome back, everybody. It's Albert here. I've got a challenge locking device called Precipice. I hope I'm saying that right. I think it's Precipice. It's number 6 and it's by Cameron Dunn. And I gotta tell you, I keep a log of all the locks that I pick in a book, and I couldn't find any from Cameron Dunn. So I have a pretty darn good feeling that this is my first one from Cameron Dunn. If I'm mistaken, I apologize, but like I said, I keep a tally in a book and I could not find it. So I don't know. I'm guessing it is the first one. So that's pretty cool in itself. I do have the microphone right there again. I don't know if you can see it. I guess we can go like this and you can see it. But I think it's working out pretty good having it right there. Let me get zoomed in here, because it does pick up the lock pretty damn good. I guess that's the most important thing. I'm not really too concerned about my voice as long as it's getting picked up, but I really want as much of that as I can get. I did try this a minute ago, and I got to tell you, it's a real it's a really tricky little sucker. Being it's just, I'm guessing it's a 5-pinner, I'm pretty sure it is. I wasn't expecting a whole lot, to be honest with you, at 5 pins, but I gotta tell you, man, it's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. So I'm gonna go top of the keyway, and I'm gonna go, I guess, clockwise. We'll go clockwise. And bada boom, I guess we'll just use this gem, Pearson gem, and get on in this bad boy. And there's a nice ledge right there to pick off of. That's what I did, so that's what I'm going to do. If I can get the false set going, you'll see what I mean. It's really, I'm dying to see what the heck is in there, because 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got a slight baby turn there. A little bit more, 4 right there. 3, there we go. See that false set? Now it gets tricky, because now you got to get out of it. And I had a hell of a hard time doing that. I think this is 2. See, I mean, that's a deep false set right there. There's 5. Let me see. 5. We got to bring it back. All right. I think I say all right, but you see what I mean? It has you going back and forth. Had me running in circles, man. Damn good job on this one, Cameron. Really, really tricky. There's 4 again, if I can get it to set. I don't know if it's the just the pin work, excuse me, or if there's some heavy duty springs in here. But it's a real trick getting them pins to set. 2, 3, 4, 5. They just won't stay set. They really, really don't want to. 2. Let me try to bring it back. 5, 4. Yeah, right there. There's really something seriously funky. I think it's in chamber 3. Just downright funky. Let me try this other pick, the Sparrow's pick. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Getting in the falset's pretty darn straightforward. It's getting out of it. That's the trick. I gotta tell you, I don't know what's going on in there. See, back into that falset. I don't have a clue. Three, 4. See, that's a deep sucker right there, man. I don't know. 2, 3. Back into that deep falset. I gotta tell you, man, it's got me puzzled. It's like there's a bionic spring in there. It just will not let it go home. Yep, you have to keep some good tension on that sucker. Yep, there's that deep falset again. I don't know, man. No clue. No clue. Oh, back in it again. I don't know if there's a relief cut in there. Good golly, Miss Molly. Are we open? I want to say no. Boy, that's ugly. It's got to be a relief cut or something. There it is. I'll be damned. That's open. Now I got it. I'm guessing, what do you call it, that relief cut in the core. It'll let it rotate so far. That's fully open now. Whoops, fully open now. So, good. Golly, Miss Molly. Let's get zoomed out. Wow. Like I said, I was thinking, okay, I mean, look at the lock. It's one of those little 5-pinners. I said, all right, that'll be a fun one. Yeah. Fun, all right. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's more like it. Okay, let's, where we at here? Let's get down over here. That ought to do it. Yeah, man. Badass. Badass. All right, let's get these screws out the back here. Let's see what's in this little beast of burden. It was right before I turned on the camera when I tried it. It did pretty much the same thing. I went into that gnarly fall set. I thought it was open, like twice. And I checked the back to see if the cam was just touching the vise, and it wasn't. I said, oh my God, what the heck? Alright, let's, I should probably do a shim if I can, because that's one nasty sucker right there. Let's see if I can rotate it around in there. That might work. Let's see what we got here. Pins are going to be up top here. Looks like they all needed picking. And a 1, whoops, and a 2. And a 3. Well done. These are these key pins are all standard so far. Very, very good. Less is more. Okay, get some eyes. I'll tell you what, y'all, I am so glad this work week is up. I am looking forward to a, I'd say relaxing weekend, but I make challenge locks pretty much every weekend, so it's not too relaxing. I got threading in 2 and 5, and it looks like that's it. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. Let's go with some tweezers upstairs and see what's on the second floor. Alright. That is a standard. See, I don't know what gave us that gnarly fall set, but if these are all standard, I'm gonna have a stroke. Okay, that one is not a standard. And that may be part, let me try to hold this up, because that would give you a damn good fall set. See the shape of that? Very nicely done too. Golly, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, that was 2, so we're looking for 3. Ah, okay. Yep, talk about fall set. Yeah, buddy. I'm trying to hold this up. There is nothing left. It's a spool, but you can see it's like a needle spool. There we go. That explains a little bit of that. That was 3, so this is 4. It's like one of those Asa barrels, I think. I think that's what they're called. We'll get a close-up on those in a minute here. And try to go to the back for the other one. Make sure it doesn't flop over on me. And it is a drunken spool. Yep, okay. I do not feel bad that took me a while there. Yep, drunken spool. Well played. Beautiful. Just beautiful. freaking awesome. Loving it, man. Loving it. Alright, we've got no mods in the Bible. No mods up top. Freaking beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, we could put, let me see, Precipice. Like this. Well, you know what? I don't even think I showed the dang key, man. I apologize. There was the key for it, by the way. Doing everything back-assward here. Leave it to me. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's get, hang on to this. Bring the camera flat down. I like bringing the camera flat down because I think when you look at the pins and the camera at an angle, you don't really see the pins that well. So, any hoodles. Alright, key pins. They're all standard. And actually, you know what? I say standard, but they're slightly, every one of them has a slight reduced top. I'm hoping the camera's going to see that. They're slightly beveled at the top of all these. Drivers, standard in 1. We got this cool looking, I don't know what you'd call that. Maybe like a, I don't know, rounded spool? I'm not sure. This one's definitely a spool, like a needle spool. And I want to say these are called acid barrel pins. I could be wrong. And number 4. And then number 5 was this drunken spool. And the springs, they look like steel, copper, copper, steel, copper. Awesome, awesome lock. Cameron Dunn, number 6, Precipice. Big Al, signing out.